Kia ora tātou, I'm Trevor Stuthridge, Managing Director for Cetogenix. Let us take you on our journey. Each year the world generates 1.5 billion tonnes of organic waste. That's enough to bury Auckland to the height of the Sky Tower. We also use over 3,000 cubic kilometres of natural gas. Natural gas and organic waste are significant contributors to climate change. However, there are technologies available that we can use to replace natural gas with organic waste-derived renewable natural gas. This technology is called anaerobic digestion. Waste is mixed with bacteria that convert it to methane that can be purified into renewable natural gas for fuels, electricity, and into the gas grid. The challenge with this well-known technology, however, is that it's relatively inefficient in gas production, and it generates a waste product called digestate, or a soup, that has to be disposed of. Cetogenix can take the digestate, break it down into a superfood for the bacteria, which can make more methane for the process. And indeed, if we install Cetogenix into anaerobic digestion systems, we can increase gas production by over 40%. In addition, we can recover nutrients from the digestate for a biofertilizer product for on sale. Fundamentally, with Cetogenix, there's no waste left behind. The anaerobic digestion market is already growing rapidly and will be $15 billion by 2025. But scalability issues and that low gas production will slow down the market. Introducing Cetogenix will allow market growth to increase much more rapidly than it would do without it. Our initial market will be retrofits in North America, Europe, and Australasia. We've already identified 15,000 anaerobic digestion plants suitable for Cetogenix. This is a $31 billion addressable market for our company. We also have strong linkages into China for a new market development opportunity. We have engaged with our first adopter, a farm consortium in British Columbia, Canada, which is looking to dispose of its livestock waste. British Columbia has recently introduced a natural gas mandate that will require 20% of all its gas to be replaced with renewable natural gas by 2025. The current site would be uneconomic with standard anaerobic digestion, but with Cetogenix we'll have a 2-year payback. In New Zealand there's no existing anaerobic digestion market, so we'll be focusing on new builds. We are looking to eliminate dirty coal, minimise organic landfilling, and repurpose energy infrastructure such as boilers and natural gas lines. Our technology has already been taken through the pilot scale as shown on the right. Going forward, we aim to stabilise and strengthen our proprietary position, design and build scalable plants for multiple markets, and extend our product outputs. We already have IP around production of biodegradable plastics and polymers and fine chemicals. Our business model is focused on both retrofit and new builds. We will sell Cetogenix modules, we will gain royalties by the increased gas production, and the on-selling of byproducts will also generate value. We have a very experienced executive team who have worked in multi-million-dollar science and innovation commercialisation companies and strong investment management experience at an international level. We're also very privileged to have a very deeply experienced international team of advisors who have worked both in deep tech and also in multiple markets for investment. In this quarter, we'll be going for a 2.5 seed round capital raise. We'll use that to establish our product development team in New Zealand. We'll use it to complete our first adopter installation in Canada, and we'll build the infrastructure and test platforms we need to extend the market offering. We're Cetogenix. We're aiming to unlock the hidden potential of organic waste to fix a problem we should all be concerned about. How do we repurpose organic waste? How do we decarbonise our energy supply? And how do we work together to mitigate climate change? We're building renewable futures. Kia ora.